Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This video is a thrift flip video. We are going to convert our full sleeves t-shirt that had vertical lines. It didn't fit me very well, so instead of throwing it away or giving it to someone, I decided to convert it into a two-piece set. If you want to buy anything that you see in this video, everything would be linked in my description, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. This is how the t-shirt looked before I did anything to it. It didn't fit me really well. So then I just figured out how much I wanted to cut it. While doing it, keep your refreshments handy. I did put some marks from where I wanted to cut it when I tried it on. For a straight cut, I just drew a line with the measuring tape so that I don't ruin it. After you are sure of the measurements, just go ahead and cut it. Leave about an inch for the hemming of your top. Try the top piece on. If it doesn't fit you very nice, then just measure it again and sew it according to your fitting. Cut two long strips of the cloth so that you can make your straps out of it. Sew these two strips on your top. For a good fit, we will be making these straps that we can tie to our shoulders. So I'm cutting them into half and then sewing the other half to the other side of the top. We cut the arms of our t-shirt so that we can make the upper part of our skirt. We are going to cut them into two equal pieces. Then sewing the arm pieces according to our fit of our hips. After I had sewn these two pieces together, I took them and then sewed them onto the piece of cloth that was left after we had cut our cloth for our top. So this is how the two-piece set looks. I will try it on at the end of this video. For adding the drawstring, I just folded the upper part of the skirt about half an inch from both the sides and was left with these pockets, and then I just sewed them together and added the drawstring. Just make sure that all the sides of the skirt are sewn together properly. Overall, I was really happy with the end product. So if you liked it too, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow, and I make new videos every Sunday and occasionally on Wednesdays.